अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्या हाल है बच्चों? ठीक ठाक हैं माशाल्लाह। अच्छा, ऐसे है कि हमारा लेक्चर चल रहा है क्लास 8 का, तो हम लोगों ने चैप्टर 1 माशाल्लाह कंप्लीट सॉल्व किए। उसकी डेफिनेशंस, उसके ऑपरेशंस, ठीक है, और उसके लॉज, साथ में एक्सरसाइजेस तीनों। तो अब हमने स्टार्ट करना है चैप्टर नंबर 2। कौन सा बेटा स्टार्ट करना है? चैप्टर नंबर 2। तो बेटा चैप्टर नंबर 2 स्टार्ट करने के लिए उसमें है जी हमारे पास सब कुछ डेफिनेशंस, तो इंशाल्लाह हम उसको कवर करने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो बच्चों ऐसे है कि हम पढ़ेंगे जी रैशनल नंबर्स, इर्रेशनल नंबर्स, ठीक है बेटा। क्या पढ़ेंगे? रैशनल नंबर्स और इर्रेशनल नंबर्स। तो बेटा इनकी डेफिनेशन कुछ यूँ हैं, मैं आपको इसके 3-4 डिफरेंसेस करके इसको एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करूँगा। उम्मीद है कि माशाल्लाह आप लोगों को समझ आ जाएगी। जो बच्चे नए आए हैं, जो कोलीग, उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, ठीक है जी। साथ में बेल आइकन होगा, उसको प्रेस कर दें ताकि जो भी नई वीडियो अपलोड हो वो आप लोगों तक बर वक्त पहुँच जाए। तो बच्चों ऐसे है कि रैशनल नंबर्स और इर्रेशनल नंबर्स, आज मैं इनमें आपको डिफरेंस बताऊंगा। रैशनल नंबर्स बेटा क्या डेफिनेशन हो सकती है? द नंबर्स दैट कैन राइट इन form of p by q. The numbers that we can write in form of p by q. Okay, pq belong to z. What is z? Z is set of integers. Z is set of integers. Okay guys, z is set of integers including 0. When we go to the right side, the numbers will increase. Okay, towards left side, the numbers will start in minus. Negative sign will also included with numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 0. When 5, we take 4 by 5, 6 by 7, minus 2 by 3. Guys, you can see in the numerator p is 4, q is 5. In definition we mentioned you that q does not equal to 0, so you can see here q is not equal to 0, q is equal to 5, so we can say that it is a rational number. Again here p is 6, q is equal to 7. Okay guys, that was first definition. Second definition, according to second definition, the rational numbers are perfect square. The rational numbers are perfect square. For example, 4 under root g. Tell me what is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. What is square root of 9? The square root of 9 is 3. These are the complete numbers. So we can say that 4 under root, 9 under root, 16 under root, 25 under root are said to be rational numbers because they are perfect squares of numbers. G. Next we discuss third example. The rational numbers are also perfect cube. In above we say that the rational numbers are perfect square. In third number definition we say that the rational numbers are also perfect cube, just like 27 1 by 3, 3 की पावर 3, 1 by 3, 3 3 cutting. जी बेटा, you can see the cube root of 27 is complete number 3. The fourth definition is, we can say that the rational numbers are terminating. जी बेटा, what you can say? We can say that the rational numbers are terminating decimal fractions, just like I try to write the fourth definition. The terminating decimal fraction can also write in form of rational numbers. For example, 9 by 4. For example, 9 by 4. How we can explain 9 divided by 4? 4 twos are 8. 1.0 carry. 0.4 twos are 8. 2 0. 4 fives are 20. So beta, our answer is 2.25. What is our answer? Our answer is 2.25. You can see that the answer is limited. The answer is limited. Answer has finished at 5. ठीक है. Discuss irrational numbers. First definition, as compared to rational numbers, the numbers that we cannot write in form of P by Q. Q does 0. P, Q belong to Z. Z is set of integers. Z is set of integers. What are integers? 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. -1, -2, -3, so on. G. First you can see rational numbers, the numbers that we can write in the form of P by Q, where Q and PQ belong to Z. Now you can see irrational numbers, the numbers that we cannot. Where is the difference? Difference is not. In rational numbers we mentioned that we can write. In irrational numbers we mentioned that we cannot write in form of p by q. Now let us see second difference. What is second difference? We say that the rational numbers are perfect square, but the irrational numbers are not a perfect square. The irrational numbers are not a perfect square. The irrational numbers are not perfect square. For example, 5 under root. Now it is not possible for us to find square root of 5. Just like 11, just like 13, just like 17, just like 19, it is not possible for us to find their perfect square. The irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating. The irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating. Beta, we studied what mean of non-terminating. Non-terminating are like 3.46 so on. You can say that the decimals, the numbers to the right of decimal point are infinite or unlimited. So we can say that these are non-terminating. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. I hope you like this video. Please thumb up this video and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon so that you can receive my new uploaded videos. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.